No. I was in it, and I'm bigger than you are.
Just go.
Stay in there
Did
for
you open it?
Stay in there for a whole minute, okay?
You didn't even stay in there for 30 seconds.
How do I do this? Okay, fine. I'll go in there for a minute. Okay, move. Okay, here's a tutorial of how you climb in your
Yeah, because people search that all the time.
of how you climb into your fridge. Step 1: place your leg in the drawer. Step 2: bring your body close inside.
That's what she said.
Close inside. Step 2: put your opposite leg to support your body weight so you don't break the fuck out of your fridge. Step 3: close the door. And you're in the fridge. Oh shit, Kristen, wait.
Fail.
Hang on, let me.
Alright, let me do it. Let me do this.
I'm gonna tweet this shit.